Welcome to Quiz Flash. Ready for the ultimate summer getaway challenge? Today, you'll design your dream summer vacation from stunning beaches to mountain escapes, from luxury resorts to cozy cabins. Which paradise will you choose? Let's find out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Time for some water fun. Which super squirt gun do you want? Captain America's shield blaster, Hulk's endless green monster gun, or Dory's forgetful squirt gun? Prepare for a soaking. Discover your own secret summer island. Will it be Maui's singing animal island, Ariel's hidden grotto island, or Pikachu's electric powered island? Paradise found. Ready for a treasure hunt? Which map will lead you to riches? Captain Hook's pirate treasure map, Dora's talking adventure map, or Spider-Man's glowing secret passage map? X marks the spot. Keep the sun out of your eyes with style. Will you pick Woody's whistling cowboy hat, Anna's braided green hat, or Shrek's onion-scented swamp hat? Stay cool! Gone fishing. Which rod will you cast into the water? Donald Duck's quacking fishing rod, Genie's wish, granting rod, or Peter Pan's self-floating magic rod? Hope you catch a big one. Time for a water balloon fight. Which water balloon will you bring? Bugs Bunny's talking balloon, Superman's super fast balloon, or Jesse's lasso slinging balloon? Get ready to get wet. After a long day of summer fun, which sleeping bag will you snuggle into? Goku's super strength sleeping bag, Jasmine's fragrant silky bag, or Donald Duck's grumpy quacking sleeping bag? Get ready for Dreamland. Paddling into adventure. Will you pick Pocahontas's wind-gliding kayak, Stitch's super-fast alien kayak, or Buzz Lightyear's rocket-powered kayak? Paddle, paddle, paddle. What a cool find! Which talking seashell will you listen to? Ariel's ocean song shell, Moana's ancient legend shell, or the Minions' hilarious babbling shell? So many stories to hear. Going camping? Which amazing tent will you use? Peter Pan's flying tent, Tinker Bell's glowing fairy tent, or Aladdin's magic carpet tent? Sweet dreams under the stars. Imagine this in your treehouse. Which brilliant pet playground would make your treehouse totally awesome? Totally awesome! So many cool choices! Which secret passage do you think would be the perfect fit for your dream treehouse? brilliant idea for a treehouse. It's all a secret. Which one of these thrilling mysteries will you add to your treehouse? Surprise! A mystery box contained a hidden chute to a ball pit. Imagine all the fun. Let's make some magic. Which super slide would you love to see appear in your very own treehouse? Unforgettable fun coming right up. What's your pick? Which awesome rainbow bridge would you add to your incredible treehouse? Wow, that sounds absolutely amazing. Time to dream big. Which of these fantastic stargazing dome options calls out to you the most? Imagine all the cool things you could do with that. Decision time. Which robot butler makes you want to jump for joy and put it in your treehouse? Pure genius for a treehouse. All right, adventurers. What's it going to be? A futuristic and automatic fort builder, a sleek, high-tech and automatic fort builder, or the amazing secret awaiting from Maui? And the mystery is a robot that brings you snacks. That's ready for an upgrade? Which zipline would instantly make your treehouse the coolest place ever? That's going to make your treehouse super special. Think about it. Which of these amazing climbing wall ideas sparks your imagination for your treehouse? So many adventures await with that choice. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.